I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle.
The always popular earth cut grills. Earth cut grills are for everyone. They are that new style, diamond dust, mixing polished. This is the 8-piece with the deep cuts. You can see this person has nice teeth. Client out of Portland, Oregon. Drove all the way up here. Got to finish the second half of his set, and he's a wrap. Beautiful, beautiful set. This is one of my favorite pieces of all times. This is yellow gold. This can be done in white gold, rose gold, two-tone, tri-tone, whatever you guys come up with. You know, you guys come up with some of the most creative stuff. You can see the high polish on this thing really stands out amongst those diamond dust. I call them continents. Looks just like earth. The only thing you're missing on this is blue water. This thing is absolutely wet. You see the way those gum lines are perfectly curving. See the way you can see each individual tooth based upon this person's teeth is just came out excellent. This will be going up on the website. If you need the link to this, go ahead and shoot us an inbox and we will shoot that right over to you. Or you can just go to the website, to the search bar like you guys always do, and type earth cut. As soon as you type earth cut, all of the earth cut grills will pop up. There's only about 6 of them on the website, and this will be the other one. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the movement. SeattleGoldGrills.com is the website. 3900 East Valley Road is the location, new location. Come see us, y'all. We'd love to work with you if we haven't already. If you're a returning client, we are so honored to be able to do something for you guys again. Y'all stay positive, stay blessed out here. Look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to working with you. 206-250-0833 is the business line. We are available Monday through Saturday. Please, guys, if any issues, give us a call like grown-ups. Let's not be children and try to get into arguments with social media pages. But I appreciate you guys. All right, now, peace.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grills tighter than roach clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole